Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari.
Hare Krishna. Welcome back to today's video. Dear devotees, this video is going to be very interesting. Why? Because we are going to find out a process by which we can get rid of all our sinful activities. That does not mean we get a permission or license to do further sinful activities. From here on, we do not commit any sinful activities any further. So, without further delay, without any delay, let us find out what is that process by which we can remove all our sinful actions. Obviously, we have committed something or other. Maybe by mistake we have killed an insect. Maybe by mistake we have offended some senior devotee. Maybe by mistake we have offended our parents or some children or some innocent, maybe our teachers in the past. We have so much accumulations of sins and offences in our life. Knowingly, unknowingly, by our mind, body or intelligence or by our speech, we have committed some or the other offense. Now comes a special process by which we can get rid of all these sinful reactions or offensive reactions which we may face. Okay, so what is that? It's very simple. It is just that you have to prepare a special bhoga and offer it to the most merciful Lord. Question number 1. What is that special bhoga? Question number 2. To whom we should offer? Who is that most merciful Lord? Answer to question number 1. What is the preparation? What is the bhoga? What is the naivedya? The Lord is not asking you to prepare samosas or pizzas. He is not asking you to prepare a very complicated dish with bringing so many ingredients and so many masalas around. No, He is not bothering us with that. He is asking us to prepare a very simple dish, and that is flattened chipped rice. We call that as poha or aulaki. Yes, that one. So flattened chipped rice mixed with some fruits, banana, mango, jackfruit or apple, any other fruit like that, and we should mix it either with milk or curd. This preparation can be salty and sweet also. The recipe of this preparation you will get to know at the end of this video. But let us find out the answer for question number 2. Who is that most merciful Lord? That personality, that supreme personality of Godhead is Lord Nityananda Balaram. Yes, you heard it right. Balaram, the brother of Lord Krishna. He incarnated in Kali Yuga some 550 years ago, and his name is Nityananda. So we have to offer this flattened chipped rice either mixed with curd or mixed with milk, some fruits in that, to our dear Nityananda Balaram. He will make sure that we get rid of all our sinful reactions and we get pure love for Krishna, pure bhakti for Krishna. And the Lord also showers mercy. Not that it is only one-sided, not one-sided love. We will get reciprocation also from the Lord. I am not going into the details of the story of this whole offering, but I will just tell you a snippet. There is a place in West Bengal by name Panihati. So at that place, 550 years ago, Lord Nityananda Balaram and one of his devotee by name Raghunath Das Goswami. Please remember the name, okay? Raghunath Das Goswami. So he and Lord Nityananda Balaram, both of them, without prior notice to each other, they were present at Panihati, which is in West Bengal now, India. Over there, Nityananda Prabhu sees Raghunath Das and says, "You are a sinner, you are an offender, you have committed a mistake." And he folds his hand. Raghunath Das Goswami says, "Dear Lord, please forgive me." He says, I will forgive you, but you have to go through a punishment." He gives him a punishment. He says, "Dear Lord, whatever punishment you give, I accept it. Please let me know how can I redeem myself." Nityananda Balaram says, "Very simple. You see all my associates? Nityananda Prabhu, he was not alone. He came along with his friends and his associates. So he said, all of these my associates, including me, you have to feed us with flattened chipped rice, poha, aulaki, mixed with curd or milk and some fruits. It can be salty preparation or it can be sweet preparation. So this was actually a danda. Danda means punishment given to Raghunath Das Goswami by Nityananda Balaram. And this whole thing, which was punishment, turned out to be a festival. And now this is celebrated as Sri Danda Mahotsav. Every year since then, since the pastime of Nityananda Balaram and Raghunath Das Goswami took place at Panihati, since that time this festival is celebrated by all the Gaudiya devotees around the globe, around the world. In Atlanta, the place itself is called as ISKCON temple over there. That temple is called as New Panihati Dham. So I request you all to kindly celebrate this festival, kindly celebrate this Danda Mahotsav, the festival of punishment. You also prepare the flattened chipped rice mixed in milk or curd, offer it to Lord Nityananda Balaram, beg him that he blesses us. He bless me also and bless you also with unadulterated, unmotivated, without any deviations, pure love of Sri Radha Krishna in our heart, and we can render service at the lotus feet of Nityananda Balaram and Sri Guru. I request you that please prepare this preparation and offer it to Nityananda Balaram, Lord Balaram, brother of Lord Krishna. Yes, offer it to Lord Balaram and make sure that all of us, we get rid of all our sinful reactions. Again, that doesn't give us a license to commit offenses or sins any further. We have to stop it completely. Okay? Why don't we take this benefit, dear devotees, and get rid of our nonsense? Make sure that Lord blesses us and we receive pure love for Krishna. Very easily it is available. People, they are doing millions of years tapasya in Himalayas. They do yajnas for many years. They do lot of meditation. They go through lot of tirtha yatra pradakshinas. So many processes, including reading scriptures for days and days together. Here, this whole small procedure will take only few hours, maybe half an hour or 1 hour maximum for you to prepare, offer it to the Lord and be blessed. Oh, so you don't know how to make the preparations of flattened chipped rice? Don't be worried. Here comes a happy news. I'll stop speaking and I will take you into the recipe part. There are two special preparations which are done. One is made with milk and the second one is made with curd. Now let us learn how to prepare Chida-Dahi in two different ways, the recipe of it. For this, I will tell you the ingredients first. You need to get chipped rice, then mixed dry fruits, banana, chopped mangoes, milk, curd, condensed milk, honey, 1 bowl of jaggery, rose essence and elaichi to enhance the taste. So let us now first learn how to make Chida-Dahi with milk. For this, add a cup of washed chipped rice into a bowl. Then pour a cup of milk into it and stir it nicely. Mix the chipped rice with the milk. You can use spoon also for this. Then please let it rest for 2 minutes. Add chopped mangoes and the bowl of jaggery into the previous mix. Now add honey and condensed milk into that particular mix. Condensed milk will enhance the taste. Lastly, add dry fruits and give it a good mix. Again, you can use spoon for mixing the whole preparation. And most importantly, please offer tulsi into the preparation and then make the bhoga offering to Lord Nityananda Balaram. Now the second method. Let us learn how to prepare Chida-Dahi with curd. For this, again you need to add a cup of curd to washed chipped rice into a bowl. Then stir it nicely. Mix it with a spoon. Give it a good mix and let it rest for 2 minutes. After this, please add chopped bananas and honey into the previous mix. Then please add condensed milk and little rose essence and sprinkle little elaichi. Lastly, add dry fruits and give it a good mix. You stir it nicely. You can use spoon as well. Now this particular preparation is also ready. Please keep a tulsi leaf and serve it, offer it to Lord Sri Nityananda Balaram. After doing your bhoga, Naivedya offering to Gauranitai, Nityananda Balaram, don't forget to honor these two wonderful preparations which we have offered to Lord Nityananda Balaram. Panihati Dham ki Jai, Sri Nityananda Balaram ki Jai, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki Jai, Sri Raghunath Das Goswami ki Jai, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Hare Krishna.